So this was our second week of doing volcadas. So we just looked at that last week we looked at doing a circular volcada here and then going to both sides. So tonight we just simply added a little variation on this, which is coming from Rebound, and then a side, and then a mirror step where we're both stepping the same way. And now from here, I'm going to move my body weight up over my right, moving Shelley's weight over her left, and then bringing her back in front of me. And I'm not really doing much to this. I'm just simply relaxing my embrace, bringing my embrace back, and she does her own pivot there. Then once we get to here, notice where my left leg is. It doesn't go anywhere. I just move my body weight back, and then at a diagonal forward, and then back forward. So in wheel time, one of the challenges with this step is right here. I want to relax my embrace, allowing her to pivot. And then I really need to send a lot of energy sort of down and out here to get her to take a nice big step here. And notice I step in behind her. That'll give her room here to come back in front of me. Then we can go off axis. So one of the important things with having her take a nice big step here is that I need to be stepping far enough with my right. See where my left leg is far enough behind so that when we go do the volcada, that I actually have some place to go. As opposed to here, we take a little bitty step here. See here, I don't really have any place to go to lead that. Now, of course, I could fix that. Let's say we took a teeny tiny step here. Of course, then I could just simply go back with my left. But it's just kind of easier if we just take that mirror step a little bit bigger, and then I got plenty of room to go back to the left. So if you notice here, this is sort of the lead here for the otra cortada. Normally I would be coming back around like this. But again, if I get to here and I relax my embrace just a little around, then she's going to pivot. Now, let's go. For the more advanced dancers, if you want to get a little more complicated with this, you do the rebound, the mirror step, volcada, and then as I go lead her here to the back onto axis, I go with my right next to her foot, and then as I do, go around. So in real time, so it'd be nice, write it in there. Always with the single axis turns when I exit. So here we've done the single axis turn. I come back up straight. Now I want a lot of contra body here for the exit. Instead of, a lot of times you see this after a single axis turn, sort of falling out. No, contra body, That way there's a leg there for me to step on. Then I turn around, I'm back in the line of dance. No.